So, the University of California at Berkeley was recently put on lockdown. I'm talking about just the University of California and Berkeley and all institutions of learning, whether it be high school or university in that district, were all put on lockdown. If you're interested in knowing why this happened, I suggest you stay locked onto this channel. I'm gonna be right back with more.
You know the way I do it when I drop lyrical. Anytime I spit lyrical, philosophical, all the niggas mimical, but it's fair still on taking literal. Punchlines collateral, maximum damage.
Hello YouTube, hello Chronicles, how are you all doing today? It's still your value-based King Fuse from FuseChronicles.com. We are a travel, tourism and lifestyle channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel and if you haven't subscribed to our regular newsletter, you are on a long team. What are you doing? Go down and smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, which is right close to the notification tab, and give us a like because we always come through with everything you need to know about the aforementioned topics, okay? So, like I said in the introduction, the University of California at Berkeley and every other institution of higher learning, whether it be high school, whether it be university, college in that district, were put on a lockdown. Now, this was because the University of California Police Department got an anonymous tip. Actually, they got a series of anonymous tips about a threat to life and property to the university. So they had to put, or the university authority had to put the university on lockdown, and because the information filtered through to the community, to the district, all other schools in that district had to be put on lockdown. Now, what happened? There was a threat levied by an affiliate of the university on another person who also works for the university, and because this threat to life and property was made, the police department for the university and the university authority as a whole took this very serious, took it upon themselves to make sure that all life and property was secured. So they put the university on lockdown. Now, this meant that people who usually came into the university from outside, those who were not who do not stay in the university premises, I'm talking about students who do not stay in the dormitories on campus, had to be put in a sheltered place to practice or to sit out this lockdown period. And Trish McDermott, who is the district spokesperson for the university, actually said that it was a soft lockdown and every other activity pertaining learning and education was still going to go ahead, particularly for those who took lectures online. But any activity that involved physically going to a class or going to other places was cancelled. So this meant all buildings and structures in the university were put under lock and key and people had to sit in. It was very serious. In fact, people were advised to stay away from windows, stay away from doors, and stay away from places that would pose direct threats to their life by virtue of maybe gunshots or whatever. However, this soft lockdown was lifted by 2:16 p.m. on the 21st of April. However, school premises, key structures and key buildings in the university are still on the lock and key because this situation is still being monitored and they're still looking out to make sure that all threat to life and property on campus is neutralized before these buildings and structures are going to be open to the public, okay? So if you are in the University of California at Berkeley or you plan to go to the University of California at Berkeley, maybe as an international student or as a local, Fuse Chronicles is bringing this news to you so you stay informed as to how you go about your daily business activities on campus. So if this video was valuable to you in some way, shape or form, I'll suggest you go down and smash the subscribe button. While you're down there, click the bell icon so you stay notified when we drop future videos. And if this video was amazing and valuable to you, why don't you give us a like? It helps us a lot. It tells the YouTube algorithm that you found this video valuable. You're going to find people just like you all around the world to show this video to. And if you have friends who plan to go to the University of California, Berkeley to study, or you have friends, family members who are studying there, why don't you share this video with them and so that they can relax a bit, okay? Because the situation has been diffused. In fact, the University of California, Berkeley put up a statement on their official Twitter handle to this effect. Okay, I think that's going to pop up somewhere up there. All right, and if you want to get close to Fuse and you're wondering, Fuse, I have questions to ask you. Maybe you watch our previous videos and you're asking, oh my God, Fuse, I have multiple questions to ask you about studying abroad or traveling abroad. Why don't you follow us on our socials, okay? We have a Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok account, and our social media handle is up there, simple as Fuse Chronicles. If you're traveling abroad and you're wondering, where am I going to stay? I'm traveling to Canada, I'm traveling to the United States, I'm traveling to the UK to study, but I don't know where I'm going to stay. I'm confused about the accommodation. A video is going to pop up right there, or is it right there? I'm not sure, but a video is going to pop up that's going to tell you all you need to know about student accommodation. Until the next one, bye-bye for now.